Hello everyone. So today we will see the best project development technologies that so many companies use, and you can also use as a student to make your projects. So let's get started. So best project development technologies that computer students use. So we have first of all that is web development. So we can do web development by using these things like Django, Flask, Node.js, REST API, and GraphQL. Now, what is web development and how we can do it? So you can see it here. Whatever we search here, everything that comes here, it is a website. You can see, like I will open this thing. What it is a website. So what it is happening in the backend, web development is happening. So this is the technology that you can learn and make your projects. So now in which languages and which frameworks you can make the projects? So first of all, the framework of Python is there, that is Django, and Flask is also framework of Python, and then Node.js is also used, and Node.js is a framework of JavaScript, and then you can use REST APIs that are also used in JavaScript, and then GraphQL is also based on the JavaScript. So these are the things that you can learn to make projects in web development. Other than that, you can also learn few more things like PHP. So if you are a beginner, if you don't know anything, then you can start with the PHP because it is very easy language to learn. Other than that, we also have the .NET framework. So you can also start with the .NET framework if you want to do the web development. So this was all about the web development. And after that, the second thing that is very much famous and very much used is this app development. After web development, everyone prefers app development. Why? Because so many people are on the web. They search on the web and they get the websites, and after that they are on their mobile phones because you all know we all use the mobile phones daily, and we search out so many things and we use so many applications. So app development is a field where you can make so many projects. So you can build the projects in Swift, or you can build in Java or Kotlin language, or you can use the framework that is Flutter, and you can also use the framework that is React Native, that is based on the JavaScript. Other than that, you have frameworks like NativeScript, Ionic, Next.js, etc. So by using these things, you can start with your app development journey because app development market is in boom. So many companies are waiting for the app developers. And then we have the third thing, that is Python scripts. So by using the Python scripts, you can make the things like Tkinter is there. By using Tkinter, you can make the applications that are graphical user interface, and Pygame is also there. So by using that, you can make the games in the Python. Other than that, we have OpenCV. So let's see what is OpenCV. OpenCV. So OpenCV is a real-time optimized computer vision library tools and hardware. It supports model execution of machine learning. So OpenCV is based on the machine learning, and machine learning is very much popular nowadays. So based on these things, you can make the projects on the machine learning also. So as we were talking about the machine learning, so our fourth thing is machine learning. So you can make the projects in machine learning also. So by using the libraries of Python like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Caffe, Theno, and Microsoft library also, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, you can start with your machine learning journey. And there are so many projects that you can make in machine learning. What you have to do is you have to just go on the Google and just search about that, and when you will search, you can see there are so many list of the projects that you can make. And if you want any tutorial, then you can just go to the YouTube. Otherwise, you can go to the courses in the Udemy. That will be very helpful for you. So these are the things that you can learn and make projects in. And other than that, which technologies you can explore? That are these things like you can explore machine learning, data science, and blockchain domains. Why? Because these are some of the most developing areas in software development, and it will surely help you. As I had written here, it will surely help you. Why? Because company ask for these things. Not only the companies, but colleges also ask for these type of projects. In the end, I have one bonus tip for you, that from where you can find best and unique projects. So if you want to find the unique projects for your college or school or any organization, so how you can find it? So you can go to this website, that is Smart India Hackathon. So this is the link of the website. You can open it, and after visiting this website, you can check it. Discover about SIH. Here you will find some problem statements. As you can see it here, we will click on the problem statements. There will be so many problems that you can solve by making the project. So let us see, it is opening right now. So you can see it here. There are 103 hardware problems and 460 software problems. So you can select the theme from here. If you want it on blockchain, if you want it on fitness, if you want it on miscellaneous, disaster management, smart education, or robotics and drones, etc. So you can choose any of that theme. Like I will just select smart education, and then categories I can select here is this one, software. And organization, you can also select, there are different organizations also here, you can check here. And after that you can see there are a list of projects that you can see it here. Like you can see the first project is bulk email and SMS service. So you can click here and you can read the problem statement here, and then you can make the project basis on that. So this is very nice website where you can find so many unique projects that you can make, and this will be very helpful for you. So thanks for watching our video. We will meet you next time.